Hi, treasures. Please like, subscribe, leave comments. That helps us a lot, and thank you very much. She's like been sitting there looking around, not saying a word yet. What is she doing? Has she totally lost her blooming mind? Sheesh. She's just waiting for the people to gather in, which they will do because people are crazy for her.
Hey, Carrie. Ooh, that smells good. There's a way here. Ooh. I just want to make sure I can. So I really want to just get my camera to be able to move around the room because I'm going to be like cleaning and walking around.
Wow.
And all this other stuff.
Wow. Good.
So,
but don't hold your breath until we can see her doing it.
Come with me over here for now because I'm just going to clean off my brushes. This is all clothes. I need to wash these.
Yeah, but if you got yourself a clothes hamper and put it in, it'd be a whole lot easier. You wouldn't have to gather them up like that. Okay. Get her done.
This is all garbage. Wait.
Well, she cleaned out her brushes. Now, get to cleaning.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Yes, I just washed my brushes. I'm going to put them here to dry. I'm going to put them up here to dry. When I don't interact with you guys, it's because I'm busy. I told you I'm doing my... Hi! Hi! Faith, Joe, Billy, Familia, everybody in Vegas. Fishing! You're starfishing. Yes. 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 Are you starfishing?
BBJ was just there. Did she get kisses?
No more, Chubby. Later, Chubby. Look at him. He still wants pettings. Later, Chubby. I didn't know, Faith. I didn't get to because, like, I didn't know what it was. I'm not seeing Bizu because did you see my community post? I told him I'm not interested in a relationship. I could be friends. Hi, Bonnie.
Right, sure, please.
Because for me, like, it was feeling a little bit red flaggy, like the opposite way, like too nice. I'm like Goldilocks. You gotta be right in the middle. You need to be just right.
Right.
Okay, I need food. So we're gonna get some Indian food, but we're gonna get palak paneer this time.
Like Natter, please.
Who just said okay? He just said okay after I wrote that. So, what can he say? No, you're gonna be in a relationship with me.
I probably never was no motorcycle guy. I don't believe it.
Indian food. Yes. All right, let's eat.
Thought we was cleaning.
No, I don't want that.
Jeez.
Genius Beezer. Yep. I'm not done. That's right, Mystery Maya. Thank you. I'm just very silly. I love it. I am silly. I've always been like this my whole life. Any friends you know, even friends who talk shit about me on Kiwi Farms, they cannot. They are pure lying if they say that I haven't always been this weird. I always make weird noises and be weird and stuff. Get droid gravy and drink it. You made Jamaican patties, no nashies? I want some. You're offended by my community post? Why? I'm a genius. Gravy and drink it.
Ha 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 ha. I thought I heard that.
You made Jamaican patties, no nashies? I want some. You're offended by my community post? Why?
I'm offended by most everything.
I'm a genius.
But my biggest is the
I'm not trying to troll, that's why.
Keep giving her money.
I seriously am too lazy. I just come on here and I'm literally just going to put my camera on and clean my room and do stuff I would do in my life.
Right.
And
let's see
it's just lucky that people like to watch this shit, you know? Ah!
She's going to drink it anyways. I saw that too. I wanted to make sure. I hope that's not something really, really old.
Did you guys see the video of me eating the koshery escargot? I do like escargot inside of mushroom caps. I don't think the moto guy was asking for a relationship. Yes, he was. In person, yeah. Like, not, well, wanting to pursue something. Like, he wants a relationship. And well, that's what he says. But yeah, you're right. Like, you know, I don't know.
Whatever again.
What are Hakka noodles? Are they good? Fuck! My hottest gay member. Okay. I love you too, gay. I mean...
Oh. I missed that one.
I'm not even stoned. This is bad. I love you too, Jack.
I'm not even gonna go back because... Yeah.
Oh my god.
Clean.
Showtime. Wash this out. I don't want but I can't live it either. I keep smelling KFC.
Oh, jeez.
Oh. Hi.
Hi.
I don't have monkeypox. I don't have monkeypox. He took you to a decent restaurant. Yes, he did. He took me to that Egyptian place and treated me.
Uh-huh.
Yes, that was very nice.
Yeah, I don't believe that
and
he
to
treated
the
her.
seafood place, too.
I don't believe he treated her there either.
Actually, no. Not this time, Trixie, I swear. Nope. We've come to... no, Agathon. We've come to an agreement. Like, we've come to different things. Like, I have boundaries now. In relationships with people, it's important to stick to your boundaries. I've learned this.
Right.
Relationships are give or take.
Right.
I help you, you help me.
Sure.
Friendships are built on building and not instant. That's it. That is one thing I really have to learn.
I thought it was built on
trust. And I would be lying. I actually I'm going to be doing a video talking about all this stuff. You guys really did. You guys do help me put things into perspective sometimes, like when it comes to stuff.
Right. Please.
Like, so. Karate Ho. Welcome from Portland, Shipping.
Give me a break.
I want to organize my life, and I'll feel so much happier. I don't have time for boyfriends right now. I don't have time for boyfriends. For the love of God, I don't have time for boyfriends. Okay?
Sure you
Just
don't.
I don't do it, babe. I don't do it. I'm gonna shave my head later today.
Right in the floor, like usual.
Ooh, shit! There was still wine in here. What is this? Is this the wine you were telling me to pick up? I love Moscato, and I want to order more. I should put some pants on. Might be a good. Eh? I really want to put these hats
somewhere where you can find them. Maybe.
I just wanna feel real love. Nation. Okay, where am I going to put my wigs? I guess I can put them like on the ground, but...
Oh my.
I mean... I don't really watch my TV, so... I really don't. But I might someday.
Put them on the ground where the cats can roll all over them. Pee or poop on them. Jeez. It's probably cleaner than their kitty litter. Look at that. She should wear them, take them off, comb them out.
Ew.
Oh.
Did you hear anyone fart? I didn't hear anything. All right.
And here she comes back. Oh my. These. It would be better for her if she would bend at the knees. It wouldn't be so hard on her back, but maybe she can't do that. I don't know. I just don't know.
Hi.
And she comes back and sits down. That's awful. Her breathing's that bad. Let some sunshine in. There you go. Oh, she did that to pick up her trash. Wow.
In your soul. None of us would miss like Julia. Get peckish and healthy? I think it was 4. Over here, Sam. All my stuff up and at my own pace. Don't overwhelm myself. You know. Like that. Just like slowly clean all my stuff up and at my own pace. Don't overwhelm myself. You know. It's gonna be nice and clean.
Okay.
You can see it in my face. It's a real big place. I don't know why my things are not working. You need to apologize to Asian men. I did not laugh at that. I said it's not even true, Sabrina. And I can verify that. I said it's just a joke. Just a lame joke. Not meant to offend anyone. Anyways, yell at Nancy. I didn't even make the joke. Why are you yelling at me all the time, Sabrina?
Okay, guys. I shall see you on the next one. Love you, treasures. Remember, you're all beautiful. Keep cleaning, Foodie Beauty.